Just imagine, in the near future, you could get a brand new car delivered to your driveway every single week without actually purchasing any of them. So you need more seats, you need more horsepower and less seats, they can do that for you. Just order the car with a mobile app and it will be delivered to your driveway just the next day. A lot of manufacturers these days are experimenting with subscription services. Pay a small monthly fee and you get a whole lineup of cars to choose from depending on what you need that day, and you can swap it out as often as you want. The service Mercedes-Benz is experimenting with is called the Mercedes-Benz Collection, and right now it's only available in Nashville, Tennessee and Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, but it could be rolled out to everyone in the near future. Here's how it works. Cars can be ordered via a mobile app, the Mercedes-Benz Collection app, and then delivered by concierge the next day. First, you pay a $495 startup fee and then select one of 3 tiers. For just $1,095 a month, you get the Signature tier, which includes a lot of the C-Class vehicles, plus the GLC 300 SUV and the SLC Roadster. Pay an extra $500 a month and you get the Reserves tier, which includes a lot of the E-Class models and several AMG cars. But pay almost $3,000 a month and you get the top-of-the-line Premier tier, which includes the S-Class sedan, G-Class SUV, and a ton of AMG performance vehicles. Things like insurance, maintenance, and 24/7 roadside assistance are all covered in the cost, and for an extra daily fee, you can upgrade to a better model regardless of what tier you're in. Manufacturers like BMW, Porsche, Cadillac, and Volvo are all experimenting with subscription services of their own with varying degrees of success. For me personally, I think as far as cost-wise goes, it's really not a good idea, especially with some of the manufacturers like Volvo making you sign a contract and stick with it for a certain amount of months. I think over time it's going to cost you less money just to buy outright, even if you don't get to be seen in a brand new Mercedes every other week. But other than that, I think it's a great idea. You know, if you're not worried about the cost or the price of anything, I know a lot of people who would really be interested in having a brand new Mercedes-Benz luxury car, sports car to test out every week. I myself would have a lot of fun with that, I think. It's cool that if you need maybe a lot of seats one day or a lot of horsepower another, you can just swap between cars like that. You've basically got the whole dealership to yourself. You just pick a car and it's yours for the next however long you want it, and I think that's great, even if it's not very cost efficient. But what do you think? Will subscription services take over buying and leasing, or will it just slowly fade away into nothingness without anybody actually caring? Comment your thoughts below. Also, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed, and check out my channel because I've got a ton of exotic supercar and hypercar reviews up. So subscribe, and thanks for watching.